banana bread. Let's go make some.
Welcome back to Galley Gourmet. Today I'm set up to make banana bread. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. You're going to need 3 bananas. We're going to peel these bananas and put them in a bowl. You need to make sure that your bananas are pretty ripe because that way they have a lot of sugar in them and it makes your banana bread taste so much better. Also, by peeling bananas, you always want to peel from the bottom up. That way, you know the little strings that you get on bananas sometimes, it takes all those strings off. Once you get your bananas peeled, you're going to take a wooden spoon and start mashing your bananas. Just a couple of interesting little facts about bananas. Did you know that a banana is actually not grown on a tree, but it is an herb? And once picked, the banana herb dies. Did you know that over 100 billion bananas are consumed a year, and that makes bananas the 4th largest fruit consumed? Alright, now that we've got our bananas nice and mushed here, what you're going to do is you're going to take 1/3 cup of butter, make sure it's melted, and pour it right in there on top of the bananas. And then just incorporate this all together, just mix it up, just like that. So you're going to take 1 cup of sugar and you're going to pour it over top of your banana and melted butter mixture. You're going to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla and pour that on top as well, and 1 egg. Just crack that on top. And then you're going to mix all this together really well. Also, one more interesting little fun fact about bananas. They say that you can actually eat a banana peel. I did not know that. And they say it's not very tasty, but if you cook it, and of course if you cook anything and mix stuff together with it, it would probably be tasty, you know, but I'll let you know on that one. So now we need to put a pinch of salt on top of this and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Just kind of spread it evenly across the top of your mixture and then mix this really good. And then it's really quick. It goes really quick. So then we're going to take 1.5 cups of flour. To sprinkle it in there, I normally like to pour the whole 1.5 cups of flour in the bowl and then mix it all together. But you can do it a little bit at a time if you would like. You're more than welcome to add like walnuts or pecans to this mixture to make it a little crunchy. But I prefer not to this time around. I like my banana bread smooth. So I've got this all mixed up really nice and well here. Okay, so we're going to switch our utensils to a spatula now. And you want to make sure that all your batter is off the side of the bowl. Then, what I have here is a loaf pan. I greased it and floured the bottom so the bread does not stick to it. I'm going to pour the batter into the pan. Make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl to get all the goodness into the pan here. You should have your oven preheating to 350 degrees while you're mixing all this. So now we're going to put our bread in the oven. This will go in here at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour. So we're going to go ahead and check our heat. And it looks perfect. So your banana bread should be golden brown on top. And just to make sure that it's done in the middle or all over, you need to insert a clean knife right in the center and pull it out, and it should be clean. No wetness on the knife whatsoever. If there is, then you need to put your bread back in the oven just for a couple more minutes. Well, that concludes our show today for how to make banana bread. I hope you enjoyed our show, and as always, if you have any questions or comments or want to see something in the near future in our next show, please leave a comment and let me know. Have a nice day. Please make sure to subscribe. Bye.
Have you enjoyed the show? Please subscribe. Click the button. Right there. Right there. Click it. Click it.